Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, he's so thirsty.
Okay.
You're too cute. He's got a beautiful face.
Yeah, I guess.
He's got a pretty face. Yes, you do.
Say, Rebecca, take me home.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes.
Yes, you are.
You're so pretty.
You're so good, too.
Miss your leg.
You're such a good boy.
Ah, put myself in your shadow.
Such a good boy. Oh, easy does it. Don't jump up. Don't hurt yourself.